Alright, listen carefully if you're getting the Delta Executor app not installed error, because this is one of the most confusing messages people see. At first, it looks like a simple install bug, but in reality, this error usually happens before the app even gets a chance to install. Here's what's really going on. Delta Executor is not an official app. It isn't verified by Apple or Google, so your device automatically blocks it. On Android, this error appears when the APK is incomplete, corrupted, or blocked by Play Protect or system security. On iPhone, this happens because iOS does not allow executors to install directly at all. Even if you tap install 100 times, the system will still reject it. Now, here's the important part. Executors like Delta are commonly flagged because they violate platform rules and can put your account, device security, or personal data at risk. That's why this error keeps showing up no matter how many times you try. If you're just trying to enhance gameplay legally, the safest alternatives are using official Roblox Studio tools, trying approved mods or private servers, or learning scripting inside Roblox itself. So if you see app not installed, it's not a glitch, it's your system protecting itself and protecting your data. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.